Yo, I'ma be playing realistic car driving simulator today. I'm gonna take this car and upgrade it. See, this look like a pretty car. But the thing is, I wanna make it look cool. What a great crash. Primary green, yeah. Interior white. I always want the interior white. Rims, I want to put the rims gray. Oh, that's the interior. Rims gray. Oh. Hold on, let me claim this reward video. Because then I'll be at approximately. So, I'll be at 909,000. No, I'll be at. Oh, $909,000, right? Yay! All I do is win, no matter what. Got money on my mind like I got it on my butt. Great. You want the calipers to match with the you want the calipers to match with the rim color. Sometimes. What the hell? Dad, what the flip? Okay, so my flames could about be busting out green. Fat. Oh, dang, that's cool. That's really cool. Okay. Engine. The heck? Awfully bad sound. Let me go back to see if I can do something real quick. Appearance. Rims light blue? Yeah, I like the rims light blue. So let me see if I can spawn this car without it tweaking out. Yay! Happy. Happy, happy, happy. Interior time. Oh. Yeah, nice interior and stuff. Let's see where I'm headed. Okay, so then I can go there, and that's a perfect little place, yeah. Okay, let me do this and do this real quick. I'm not gonna use any more of my money though. Oh, no. Hold on, let me pull out nicely from there.
Well, it's supposed to cool off again after this. Not serious still.
Hey, 200 miles an hour.
Great shit.
Do it. Let's see, let's see, let's see. Okay. Woo, 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 woo. Skirt. Like, watch me do a little skirt, skirt.
Yeah.
See, that was like a little drift. If you want to do a big drift, then you actually gotta do a big drift like this.
What's new around you? What's new around you? What's new around you? Yeah.
Candy whack wang. It took so long, but it's fine because I don't have a life. I actually don't, though. That's sad. Skirt. Oh. Bro, that sounds like a freaking harmonica. Yeah. Wait, what's that over there? Not bad, but I'm gonna drive in the water.
I might have one. So you just gotta push the wheelchair. What? No.
Some little drifts, okay. Oh, hi, kitty. Oh my god. You distracted me, cat. That's okay, though.
Yeah.
No, kitty, off. You can't be on the air mattress. Off.
Yep.
Sad. I wish the cat could be on the air mattress, but she's gonna pop it if she is. Quick question. I'm back on the normal main highway. Okay. Let's see how powerful this car is.
You doing, Punks?
Playing a car game.
I gotta go to Broward and wash the trailer out, so I'll be back. It'll take me a little while, by the time I get hooked and get to the wash and get it done and get it back and get back here, so.
Good.
We gotta leave at 3. I got gas to pick up on the way. But your mom said 4, but she told me on Friday. And your mom's the boss. Did you guys know that?
Oh my gosh.
No, I'm talking to you, Braden.
I wish you could actually like get it straight. Look at my underwear. My underwear don't go except when you do that. You always do it. I'm looking at that little space. I never. I'm gonna try and park some other chunky cars. Actually, I don't think I have any other chunky cars. But don't tell me it spawned out there. Let me see if it spawned out here. You know what? I'm gonna do this one. Oh my. Bro, stop spawning outside. Just spawn inside. Just spawn inside. Okay, there we go. Now I'm gonna back up to here. If I even can. Yeah, exactly. I thought I was gonna. Chunky car. Look at that. Oh. Ah. Bomba clap. Let me park this Toyota Supra.
Way up your butt.
What the fuck? What the fuck? Where's my Where's my freaking Toyota Supra? Coyote Super 98. Coyote. Coyote. Can you spawn already, you chunky bunk?
Wiz Khalifa?
Okay, well, I guess that's the end of the video. See y'all later.